Welcome to another exciting time in learning what with instructor greatness. Today we're going to be talking about a very important topic in mathematics and also in economics called simultaneous equation. Now, how do you solve for simultaneous equation? It's what they call the elimination method. And we have addition method in the elimination method. We have substitution method, and we have graphical method. Addition method or subtraction method can also be here. Subtraction method can also be here. And it's called the elimination method because from this you can use it to solve your simultaneous equation. They can give you a series of numbers. From there you can use it to solve your simultaneous equation. Now let's dive right into it. I'll write my elimination method here. So you will show method here. Then you can use one of these steps to solve for simultaneous equation. One of these steps. For today we're going to be using what? Addition method. We're going to be using addition method in one of these. Then we're going to be solving. We can ask you solve for 6x. So 6x plus 8y equals to 35, and 4x minus 2y equals to 6. They ask you to solve this equation using simultaneous equation. Then you pick one of the methods suitable for it. For today, we're going to be using addition method. That's what we're going to be using for today. Then how do you start? You need to set it up properly. Then I'm going to start with 6x plus 8y equals to 35, and 4x minus 2y equals to 6. Now I've set it up properly. Now what am I going to do now? The next step for you to do is to find a coefficient. Because you want to use y to get x. Because there are two unknown here, which is x and y. So first of all, you want to use y to get x. Or you can also use x to get y. But today I'm going to be using y to get x. First I'll first look for y before I get my what? X. So what am I going to do? I want to make this number same thing with y. Means these two numbers should look the same also. Means coefficient. Means this one and this one should look the same. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come here. I'm going to do a reversal method. I'm going to put 2 up here and 8 at the bottom. So I'm going to come to this side. 1, 2, yes. 2. And this side, which is 8. And this is my equation 1. And this is equation 2. So next up, I'm going to go again. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use this number here to times everything. This number here, I'm going to use it to what? Times everything. So it's going to be 2 times 6, it's going to give me what? 12. It's going to give me what? 12x plus 2 times 6 is going to give me what? 16y equals to 2 times 35? 70. Then I'm going to go to the end side. Use this one to times also everything here, which is 8 times 4. 32x minus 16y equals to what? Minus what? 48. Minus what? 48. Because there's a minus here, okay? This is a minus here, I'll put my minus here. There's supposed to be a minus here to make it complete. Minus 48. Now, I've made it look like this now. Now, if it was that properly, this side are both the same, 16 and 16, and y and y. Now, put it in your mind, because I'm using y to get my x. I'm using y to get x. Now, this side are both the same. Now, let's go, because I'm using addition method, I'm going to put plus here now. I'm going to put what? Plus here, because I'm using addition method. So, I'm going to plus everything together. So, it's going to be 12 plus 32. 44x. That's going to be what? 44x. Plus 0y. Because here, why is it 0y? Because plus and minus, which is 16 minus. So this was a sign, is always what very relevant. So it's 16 minus 16 is going to give also 0y. And look at this other one again. 70 what? Minus 48. There's a minus sign here, so you don't treat it away. There's a minus sign here. So 70 what minus 48 is going to give you how many? 72. It's going to give us what? 22. So at this junction, I'm going to what? Divide both sides by 40x. I should write it there so you don't forget. Divide both sides by 44x. So it's going to look like, because this is 0 now, it doesn't matter again because this, so you just cancel your 0. So I'm going to come to this place because I'm dividing by 44x. So it's going to be 22 divided by what? 44x. So I'm going to cancel. Simplest of what equation? I'm going to cancel. It means it's going to be what? 0.5. Now I cannot cancel x because x doesn't have another thing to cancel. Means at this junction, x is what? Equals to what? 0.5. Now I've gotten x. It means anywhere you see x, put what? 0.5. Anywhere you see x, put 0.5. Now we all know what x means. X is what? 0.5. So I'm going to put it in this equation again. I'm going to put it in this equation. So it's going to be 6 bracket x, because x is here, and x is 0.5. So I'm going to put 0.5 and close my bracket, plus 8y equals to 35. At this junction, I need to open my bracket. So I'm going to say 6 times 0.5, and 6 times 0.5 is going to be how many? 3. Plus 8y equals to what? 35. Now this junction, easiest of easiest. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to minus both sides by what? 3. I'm going to minus both sides. Why am I saying? Because anytime the word plus sign crosses the equal to sign, it becomes what? Minus. I'll just say, I'll put it down so you can understand. Means 3 plus 8y minus 3 equals to 35 minus 3. At this junction, it always comes back with the one with the word alphabet, which is always come back to what? 8y. If you calculate it, it gives you what? 8y. And this side, 35 minus 3 is going to give you how many? 32. It's going to give you what? 32. This is the most simplest of what? Equation. At this junction, you know what to do. Divide both sides by what? 8y. I'm going to put dx by what? 8y. So it's going to be, I'm going to write it here. So it's going to be 32 divided by what? 8y. And if you do it for me, it's going to give how many? 4. It's going to give what? 4. It means it's going to give what? 4 equals to 4. Means at this junction, because you cannot cancel anything, means y is equals to what? 4. Y is equals to 4. Now we've gotten our y. And we've gotten our what? X. Anytime you see x, put what? 0.5. Anytime you see y, put what? 4. So at this junction, always check your answer. If it doesn't tally with what you have here, means your answer is what? Wrong. So you can check your answer, means do it by yourself. You can check your answer, which is 6 times 0.5 plus 8 times what? 4. If it doesn't give you 35, means